modular system. The operator interface stays the same. So this is the concept for the Spectral as well, to make it easy for the operator. Now, if I like to start a position for spectral measurement, if I like to define a position, I just have to zoom my picture or to move my picture. This is a rapid movement over here. And I'm choosing the spectral unit. And right now I have the possibility to set another area for spectral measurement. We can see over here that we already installed a couple of color groups. So I'm going to choose here the print unit. I have already some print units pre-selected, like cyan, yellow, and I have here two more print units. One is called print unit 7, which is not existing so far. I'm just choosing this. Now I'm going to any place in the repeat where I have a homogeneous area, and I add an area for the measurement. Now in the middle you see this area where I like to measure, and I move the color patch right into this area. And if I go right now into run mode, the measuring head over there is going to do the measurements. Once we have all positions for the spectral measurement defined, the operator goes usually just to the display mode, where we have this screen over here. Because here we have the overview about all printing units. On the very right or left hand side, you see the different color groups that we already installed. So that's print unit standard. You have cyan over here. Print unit 7 is something that we just started right now. This is the reason why we have no measurements so far. But these measurements are incoming as soon as we are on this position. If I go right now, for example, to the cyan group, I will see the measurements immediately over here. So this is the delta E value that I can see. There's a little tiny thumbnail over here where we indicate the position itself to give the operator an idea where he is measuring, because we could have multiple areas, and this will help a lot to identify where they are. Now, here again I go to cyan, to this little group. I can see indicated where my color is at right now and where the last measurements have been. I will see here in the middle the delta E values, and you can see I have 3 positions in this group already assigned. And if I just click on these positions, then you will see that we will get different LAB values that we're displaying over here. So we are getting all information about the color on this single page over here. Underneath, we have then the additional information for LAB values. We can use the system here to do an absolute measurement, to enter the LAB values up front. So if you have a Coca-Cola Reds or a Pepsi Blue, then we can enter the LAB values straight to the system, and you start the job with the given LAB values. Or what we did over here is that we take the measurement from the print and do this as a comparison, a reference measurement. And this is how the spectral unit is used. Furthermore, we have the possibility to take the values from here and export this as a CXF3 format to the hard drive, so that the customer can use this for his own purpose. So we can do this for the color groups, we can do this for the single patches, or we can do this for the LAB values as well.